is kindness? Kindness is being friendly, generous, and considerate of others, helping people when they need you, doing something nice for someone else without expecting anything in return.
But how can you show kindness? You can show kindness by helping someone if they fall over, sitting next to someone who is alone, asking someone how they are can brighten someone's day.
You can also show kindness by saying good morning, letting someone go ahead of you in a line, holding doors for others.
How does kindness help our school doing kind things with others? Activate the parts of the brain make you feel happy. Kindness makes people feel that they belong and good. Being kind helps you to make friends. Kindness can help you concentrate as the good chemicals in your brain are released. Kindness increases our sense of well-being.
Being kind to people. Being kind to people encourages them to be kind too. Kindness makes our world a better place for everyone. For everyone. Boom.
So make the choice and be kind. When you are kind, you make the world a happier, safer place. You have infinite kindness in you. Share it with everyone every day. You can be kind to everyone, to people who are just like you and to people who are different. Your smile might be the brightest light in someone's day. So let your kindness shine and smile at whoever you can, whenever you can. When we're kind to one another and treat each other, it leads to a better and happier school. We are coloring the school with kindness. Lastly, we'll finish with a video showing how a simple act of kindness can color the world around us, making it a happier place.